Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, how ChatGPT can help you learn programming more effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, ChatGPT can be an invaluable resource. Let's get started. First, let's explore how ChatGPT can assist with understanding complex programming concepts. Imagine you're struggling with recursion in Python. You can ask ChatGPT to explain it in simple terms. For instance, my prompt here that I'll be putting in my input would be like, explain recursion in Python with a simple example. Right here, now let's hit enter and see how Chat would generate with the results. So as you'll see how ChatGPT is currently processing right now, ChatGPT breaks down the concept into easy to understand terms, providing both an explanation and a code example. This makes it easier to grasp the idea behind recursion right here, as it not only explains the theory, but also shows how it works in practice. Now let's try another example. Suppose you're having trouble understanding the concept of inheritance in object-oriented programming. You can ask ChatGPT for an explanation with an example. I'll put in my prompt here like, explain inheritance in object-oriented programming with an example in Java. Now let's hit send. For this response, ChatGPT explains that the dog class inherits the eat method from the animal class and also has its own bark method. This illustrates how inheritance allows for code reuse and the creation of more specific classes based on general ones. By providing clear explanations and practical examples, ChatGPT helps demystify complex programming concepts, making them more approachable and easier to understand. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Let's do one more example to solidify our understanding. Suppose you want to learn about asynchronous programming in JavaScript. You can ask ChatGPT to explain it and provide a simple example. So what I'll prompt in here in my input would be, explain asynchronous programming in JavaScript with an example. Here we go. With my prompt ready, let's hit send. So based in this example, fetch data stimulates an asynchronous operation that takes 2 seconds to complete. It returns a promise, and we handle the result using then and catch methods. Understanding asynchronous programming is crucial for working with real-world applications, and ChatGPT's clear explanations and examples make it much easier to grasp. With that, this proves how ChatGPT can help make learning programming more accessible and less intimidating.